So in this Canva tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add a red arrow to a design in the Canva mobile app. So once you have the Canva mobile app opened up on your iPhone or your iPad, the next thing I want you to do is obviously do whatever you want. So if I just wanted to create a YouTube thumbnail, for example, I'm just going to go to the bottom left. I'm going to find this cat right here. All right, I'll make it a little bit larger. There you go. So if you wanted to add a red arrow to this for whatever reason, just go to the bottom left-hand side to where there's that purple circle with the plus arrow, press on that. Then once you're here, I want you to go to the Elements tab. I want you to go to the search bar and search up simply red arrow. That's all you need. Red arrow. So I'm just going to press on there right there. So as you can tell, a whole bunch of different options here. Now, I recommend going to the graphics and just viewing all the graphics that they have. So if you wanted to use this red arrow for an example, right here, I'll press on this red arrow. I'm going to, change it a little bit. I'll make it a little bit larger. There you go. That is the red arrow. Now, if I wanted to change the background color of this to where you can see it a little bit easier, how about I change it to purple right here? I will exit out. And basically, that is how you guys can add a red arrow to a design here in Canva using the Canva mobile app. I hope this video helps.